up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're playing some more gorilla tag. So as y'all can see, I have 2 W's in the front of my name now, and that's because I came up with what a new clan we're called the W's. If you know, you know. Yeah. And I got the sweatband because I just think I'm a sweat. Alright. So we're gonna be cooking some little kids in the lobbies. That's the way I like it. Sorry about it. That's on. Alright, so infection.
Don't talk. Great, do I do both? Yes.
Hey, Blue? Who?
Man, holy cow, I didn't realize how good I am.
Oh, good.
Bro, why can't I move?
Ah!
What? Bro, I never seen a kid so you said other than that. Who's that? You? You?
Who?
No, that kid did.
Oh, bro, my freaking game is glitching now, bro.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck is this slide? Fuck this slide, bro.
How about you shut up, little bro?
What? What did you say?
I said, what's up, little bro?
Just keep I'm not little. You're littler than me.
You sound like a
So
YouTuber.
this kid just got off. And he's a little crybaby. Oh my god.
Little bro broke it.
Little comrade.
I think he just broke the act.
Bro, just broke the egg. People! Get out! Get out! I need get out!
That's the way I like it.
Purple, please! Better than me already. You bro, look, I can't even do that. What did I do?
Oh yeah, I gotta lock in on this one.
Oh my god,
That's the way I like it.
oh, that was crazy. I just cast the kid out of nowhere. I'm just gonna go tag over people.
Oh crap!
Me.
That's the way I like.
Oh! Branching skills. There's other things I need to do.
How about you get better gorilla tag skill? I ran into you.
Got him.
Bro, I ran into you, so shut up!
Got him. Got him, chat.
Did I?
Let's go. You let me go behind me. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. We are Sigma. Wait, how? You're running from the... Why did you say watch out to a level?
Oh my god!
My friend!
I think little bro left the game. Oh, I'm scared. And that's the way I like it. Bro, how the heck did you tag me?
That's easy. That's easy, bro.
Did I ask you those easy? Nah.
Here, bro. Look at my boost here. Now I can show you my boost. Come down,
bro.
Come here, bro.
Oh,
Bro,
nigga,
don't
no
ever
hug,
say
bro.
no,
Wait,
look.
I'm gonna give you a little hug. Wait, I'm
It's right
Did I?
there. Oh my god.
Oh,
I feel anymore.
that's the way I... Hey, bro, I'm sorry to do this to you. Ah!
How'd you miss?
That's the way I like it. You gotta be quiet, little bro.
I failed.
Oh, I'm gonna try one more time.
Did I ask?
Ankles.
I thought you
got
got
shoot.
No. Little bro always wanna be lying. I tagged him.
No, the reason why I got tagged is because I stopped because I juked him. I had a point in
I
him.
jumped on you. I jumped on you first.
Did I ask?
You have to point at him. No excuses. No! Stop camping.
You bad guy.
Bro, if he doesn't shut up!
Brown, me and you should wear the same cosmetics. We should.
I don't have the same cosmetics.
No, do you have any cosmetics besides that hat?
No.
You trying to get this slippery wall?
Oh my god.
So easy, guys.
Yo, don't try me, fool. Oh, yo. Hey, mate.
Huh?
That's the way I...
Bro, I'll help you out, bro. I'll help you out.
Good. Bro, am I just... Guess I gotta cook.
What? Bro, nobody clearly sees me. That's the one who got tagged.
That's the way I...
No. I can actually try if you want me. Little bro. Yo, bro, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Dang it. I can actually try if you want me to. Nope. Nope. You better get scary.
Oh, crap.
No!
Oh my god, don't tell me please.
Oh! I can actually try if you want me to. Hello? I don't care. I'll still tag you. It's cat.
Ooh!
Not because you got tagged. It's not
But you're not even that good.
Blood tripping. Bloody!
Shiny box.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Oh, God! I ran into him.
Yeah, on accident.
Yeah.
Bro, don't make an excuse. I'm saying. Literally.
Oh, my!
Hey bro, can I just say one question? Can I say one
Come
question?
here, I'm gonna get you, bro. Cause I thought.
Whoever's it, don't tag the blue next to treehouse or not tree. I'm turning on my music. Never mind.
That's the way I like it.
Oh, I read that. Well, I already did.
Oh, bro, I freaking got...
That was all left.
God, lay, bro.
I didn't even mean to throw that and bounce towards you.
Ooh. Bro, I'm being stuck. Man.
Where's Blueberry?
Awesome, bro.
Where's
Behind you, behind
Blueberry?
you. Yo, blue behind you, blue behind you.
I hope y'all guys like this video. GG's.
Each other. One about the